Okay, hey, this is fantastic. All right. So everybody knows that we cannot get negative. All right. Please remember, yeah. Even if x can be negative, you are not going to get a 0 or negative number. All right. So let's look at some examples. All right. Let's say it is like what I said. 2 to the power 2, it is 4. What happened if it is 2 to the power negative 2? What is this? This is 1 over 2 squared, which is 1 over 4. And of course, this is more than 0. This is more than 0. So far, we are not getting any negative answer. Right? So, itu yang kita kena ingat di sini. Okay? So, guys, very good. Now, next. If a to the power x is equals to a to the power n, so then you can say that x is equal to n. Now, ada syarat dia lah. A, it cannot be P, Q, and R. So what is value for P, Q, and R? And once you manage to find all this value, so we need to find out what will be the answer when you have P plus Q plus R. All right? So please remember, class, over here, the examples that I can give you will be what? Let's say this is 2 to the power 3, all right? And the other side also, if it is like this, okay, since this is the same, so therefore this one also will be equal, all right? But you kena berhati-hati. Not all the value for A's can hold this statement. So now the questions here, when do you think this is not true? Bila agaknya benda ni tak betul? So we need to find that value for P, Q, and R. Alright? Barulah kita boleh tahu nanti. Okay, class? So macam mana? Agaknya, okay, apakah nilai P, Q, dan R itu tadi? Di mana, okay, A, which is our base dekat sini. Alright. Dia tak boleh ambil nilai P, tak boleh ambil nilai Q, tak boleh ambil nilai R. So class, how many of you here thinks that, yeah, I know what is the answer? Okay. Ketuk ketampi 2 kali. Siapa tu? Yeah. Oh, siapa yang lambat masuk kelas ketuk ketampi je. One boy. Okay. Alright. So, siapa nak jawab? Apa agaknya jawapan di sini? Apakah A? A itu tadi dia tak boleh ambil nilai P, Q, and R. So once you know what is P, Q, R, so I nak tahu apa pula jawapan bila you campur semua P, Q, R. Yasin tanya, kenapa saya asyik lambat? Itulah, saya pun tak tahu. Okay, class, back to the class. Alright, so what is our answer? So, apa cerita dia di sini? Alright. Siapa yang dia tahu soalan tapi tak tahu macam mana nak buat? Okay, how many of you in this class today, okay, you know the questions but you just don't know how to start, how to proceed? Alright, boleh tolong komen? Okay, siapa yang faham tapi tak nak buat? So Aiman, okay, Gaisri, saya juga, Zulhilmi, okay, banyaklah. So, yes, Jerry, I was waiting for your feedback. So what do you think? If you're given A to the power X, which is equals to A to the power N, okay, so we can say that X is equals to N, right? But ada syarat dia, A tadi tak boleh apa. Right? Now class, but jangan risau, soalan macam ini dia takkan tanya dalam AdMaths lah, okay? This is just the basic ideas saja. You really need to know what are the A values yang kita tak boleh terima pakai. Okay. So how to answer these questions? Then we have to start to investigate. All right. Now, of course, there are so many numbers in maths. Kan? So the easiest one to start will be with 0. Okay. So let's say your A is 0. Okay. So kalau A tadi kosong. So class, can you please tell me what happened when A it is equals to 0? Apa sebenarnya yang akan berlaku when your A is 0? Right? So can you please tell me, do you think when A is 0, X can equals to N? So, ada siapa nak bagi jawapan? Okay, semua bagi tahu no, 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 no. Yeah. Now, you see, if ever your A it is equals to 0. Now, if ever A is equals to 0, do you think X will equals to N? All right. So, example, contoh. So, since if A is equals to 0, now what is 0 to the power 2? All right. And what is 0 to the power 3? All right. So, class, what is the answer? Who can tell me what is 0 to the power 2? What is 0 to the power 3? Answer 0 telur. Okay. So, siapa lagi nak bagi jawapan yang lain? I. Okay. Kepada mereka yang bagi jawapan, cuba tekan dalam calculator 0 to the power 2, 0 to the power 3 or any other numbers. Alright. So, as long yang base tu tadi 0. What do you get? Okay, so you get 0, right? So class, if you see here, 0 to the power 2 is equals to 0 to the power 3. Now, if this is X and if this is Y, right? So you can see that X, it is not equals to Y, right? Macam semua kosong je, memanglah, right? So over here, okay, dia sebenarnya tak boleh ambil nilai 0. Okay, please remember that. Now, another number that you will consider now, if when A is equals to 1. So please check what is 1 to the power 2, what is 1 to the power 3, or what is 1 to the power 100. Of course, everything it is equals to 1. So therefore, if you say that 1 to the power 2 is equals to the 1 to the power 3, hey, this is 2, this is 3. Sama seperti apa yang kita buat dekat sini. So can you say that X is equals to N? Of course, it is not. So X, it is not equals to N because this is 2, this is 3. You can use any other integers, right? So A tak boleh kosong, A tak boleh sama dengan 1. Alright. So we know that over here, P it is 0, Q it is, Q is 1. Okay, there you are. Now what about R? Okay. Jerry dia tanya Y. What do you mean Y? Which one? Okay, so I will go to the paint so that kita boleh conteng dengan lebih senang dekat sana. So I'm going to stop sharing this screen. So where is my paint. Now go back to Zoom. So kita akan share lah. Alright. The paint dekat sini. There you are. So, class. Kita ingat lagi kan apa soalan dia? Soalan dia tanya tadi, if we are given a to the power x equals to a to the power y, therefore x is equals to y. But this is only true, okay, if a is not equals to p, q, and r. So what we are doing here, we are checking again, one by one. What happened when a it is a 0? So what you do here when your a is equals to 0, so this is 0, 0 to the power what? It can be 0 to the power 2, or maybe 0 to the power 3, or maybe 0 to the power 4, or maybe 0 to the power 100. It is up to you. Now you will get the same answer. All right. So if you convert whatever givens here, all right, into a format which is a to the power x equals to a to the power y. So 0 to the power 2 is equals to the 0 to the power 3. Now 0 to the power 2 is equals to 0 to the power 4, or maybe 0 to the power 4 is equals to 0 to the power 100. Now what happened here? If this is x and y, apa yang jadi? Nih, if this is x and this is y, do you think x is equals to y? Do you think x is equals to y over here? And what about this? Sama ke? Of course not. This is 4 and this is 100. So they are not the same. So therefore, okay, when a it is equals to 0,